Hey, welcome to the Michael G. Sam video. Michael G. Sam video. Timer started. Michael G. asked me to do this video. I've done this. I've done this several times in the past, and I guess he was absent that day in school. For most of us power users, we've developed a system, to power users, someone that does more than one project a year. We've developed a system to speed up the process. Many people, most people, about everybody probably uses a template method. I use the SAM method. The SAM being SAM, S-A-M, stands for save as method. It's the save as method. About 8 years ago, I had this epiphany. I said, all my jobs have a site plan. They have a BMP plan, they have elevations, and they have floor plans, et cetera, et cetera. Why am I constantly sending site plans and elevations and stuff to lay out? It's the same thing every time. So the template method is, the SAM method is simply to save, in my mind, save the latest and greatest plan. Many people use the template. I use the SAM. And so here's the SAM. So Michael G comes to me and he says, I like this job right here, the Uriel job. I want to build a house just like this up in Canada. And I want this plan to build. So what am I going to do? Am I going to redraw the whole thing? No. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take my layout. I'm going to save it as file save as Michael G, MGA, layout number 1, and I'm going to put it in. I got a folder already created, MGA1. I'm going to save it in his folder that's on my desktop. So if you look at this right here in his folder, open up the wrong folder, you nitwit. Open up an MGI1, Michael G1. There's his layout, right? But what's wrong with this layout? Right now, it's actually linked to the Uriel plan. So now I have to open, now here, this is the key. This is what we're doing. Now we open up the plan. I've opened up the plan. I'm going to say file save as, and I'm going to say this is MGA plan at 1A. This is the way I number these things, 1A, and I'm going to put it in his folder. It's on the desktop, MGA1, done, done. Let's look at his folder. What's in his folder? The layout and the plan. Now, but I have not linked the plan to layout. Here's a key. I have not linked the plan to layout. I don't know what I've done. I don't know what I've done. I haven't done it right yet. So what I do is F6, and I look at my layout on the right hand side, and I look at my plan on the left hand side. But now I want to link the layout to the plan. So a hotkey, it's a hotkey right, wrong hotkey, nitwit. Hotkey right there. It's reference plan files. I think it's up here, and if you guys don't use hotkeys, it's good. Tools, layout, reference plan. Yeah, that's my hotkey, /equal. So now I'm going to, it's a Uriel plan. Don't worry about these other things yet. Uriel plan, browse, go to my desktop, go to Michael G1, and the plan. I am telling you now, all the plans, all the views sent to layout are linked to Michael G1. Everything. Elevations, site plan, everything's linked. I've just done it. What have I done? I've actually created a duplicate of the plan that he came into my office and said he likes the Uriel plan. He likes it. So why would I redraw the whole thing? I've simply just copied the one that I had already, and I've created it for him. Oh, but wait a second. Look at this. It's got the wrong name on here, right? So all I have to do is go over here. So I know how this works. Tools, project information, client information, and it's going to be, this is going to be Michael Gia, MGA, telephone number, tab and Canada, tab Canada, you got me? Look, right there. So now the site plan actually refers to, well, it's got the right name on it, Michael Gia. Sorry. Oh, but wait a second. Who was the owner? I got the wrong owner here, right? I got the wrong owner here. This is macros or whatever. I've set this up already. So all I need to do is now come to the plan over here. Come to the plan. This is the plan on the left-hand side. Tools, project information, client information, and it's MGA, telephone, Canada, Canada. You get the idea. Look, right there, MGA, Canada, blah, 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 blah. So now I have actually created an exact duplicate. That's what the SAM is all about, save as method. I've created the same, I've got a duplicate file. This is what Gia wants to build. No problem. But now Michael, Gia's wife, comes in and says, wait a second, I want to build a house just like this in South America, but I want to get rid of one window. I want to get rid of one window. So what do? Do I redraw this plan? No. I save this one, file save as, save the layout as MGI layout, MGI wife, layout 1, put it into a desktop, MGIA 2, that's the wife's folder. Now I come over here to the plan itself, which is, I start with the site plan, open up the site plan. Notice the name of this is MGIA Plan 1A. I'm going to save it as file save as MGIA Plan Wife. Put it in her folder. I'm done. Am I done? No, I haven't linked it yet. Look at this. Look at this folder on here. I just opened up Michael Gia's folder. He's got his layout and his plan. It's all linked. Everything's hunky-dory. I can build the house. But what about the wife? What's in the wife's folder? Here's her folder right here. She's got wife. But it's not linked yet. I haven't linked it yet. You got to link it. As soon as you do this, you got to link it. You got to link it. So F6. So F6, I'm going to see both views. So I'm going over here to layout, and I have a hotkey. I keep doing the wrong ones. This is the hotkey. That's my hotkey. Or you can go up here to Tools, Layout, Reference Plan Files. That's my hotkey. Backslash. And so I want to take, instead of Michael Gia Plan 1A, I want to now make this. Come on, Scott, figure it out. Come on. I want to be on my desktop. Michael Gia, this is the wife's folder. Take her plan. Done. It is now linked. So now I've actually, then of course I can go over here and I can rename this border right here by going to the client information wife. I'll do that real quick. Tools, project information, wife, right there, WIFE. Look at this. It says wife now, right? So that's the wife's plan. But what about the right over here? This is all stuff that I've just sort of created. I've been doing this for 8-9 years now. Over here, and I'm in the plan view. I'm in the wife's plan view now. Tools, project information, client information. This is for the wife. There it is, wife. So now what I've done is I've actually created 3 plans exactly the same. The only changes are the title block on the layouts and the this information over here. But they're all their own single entities. Now, if I come over to here, let's just how much time do I have? How much time do I have? 28 seconds. I'm going to end this right now, and then I'll go into some more stuff. I'm going to end this now, and I'm going to go into some more stuff. But that's the gist of it. That's how you go through this whole process. Save the layout, open the plan from the layout, save the plan, and then you relink it. I'm going to say it again. First of all, you start with your latest and greatest plan. It's the SAM method. Latest and greatest, open up the latest and greatest layout / plan. Open up the layout. Open up the layout, save it as your new name, then open up the plan from that layout and save it, and then link it. 3 steps. Save the layout, then open the plan from the layout, save the plan, and then link the two. Link them. And then you got it. Now you got your new copy. I'm going to go on ahead and do part 2 right now. End this one right now.